Hi everyone, this is Nobuko. Let's start to the Nobuko's kitchen. Today I'd like to introduce to the Hawaiian spicy unique menu. So what is this? So today I'd like to make to the fresh salmon poke menu. Poke means the fresh sashimi. So this is a very tasty and traditional Hawaiian menu. And today is a chef special item is we use to the chili sauce also. Let's do it. So I'd like to introduce to the item also. Of course, I will use to the fresh salmon and the onion, mayonnaise, and the chili sauce, and the sesame oil and the soy sauce. Wow! Today is a Hawaiian menu. I also do first time to try it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. First is I will cut to the salmon sashimi. Today I will cut to the block style. Okay. Put into here. Okay, so next step. This one I will put into the soy sauce and the sesame oil. And first we mix. After I put into the onion slice. And the next item is chef recommend chili sauce. And mayonnaise. Very unique menu. So this is a Hawaiian menu. If you like it to the avocado, there you can additional also can. Okay, right. So look like to the all the colors. Almost finished. Okay, alright, so finish. Wow! This is a salmon poke spicy mayonnaise sauce. Wow, looks so nice. And this is a very good for to the appetizer menu also. So I hope to enjoy to this salmon poke menu. So see you next time. Bye bye.